Hello, my name is Stuart. I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And today I'm working on a new property. Good client that just bought a house, and this is a newly sodded lawn within the last year. And the lawn's having problems. It's in a beautiful area. The soil is repelling water. The sod was laid on hard pan clay, and I am trying to repair the soil so that the lawn will come back healthy. This is not a lawn issue, this is a soil issue, is what's going on here. And the sod was just unrolled on hard pan clay, and just very, very hard soil. And it's actually repelling water at this time. I watered this yard before I started aerating, and still the plugs down here are just bone dry, many of them in whole areas. So I put on a wetting agent. I put on 100 pounds of a soil amendment with humic acid in there, microbial fungi, and zeolite, which holds and releases water and prevents compaction. And so I've aerated, seeded, fertilized this, put on lime, and then the soil amendment. I want to come back in about a month's time and see how this lawn looks. Once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company, and thank you for watching my video. I just shoot these in the field as I can. Thank you.